Hey guys, welcome on CloudQuest. My name is Victor, and today we'll be diving into the cloud tool called Saltstack. We'll get most information from their website called saltproject.io. So basically, Saltstack, you can use it both agent-based way and agentless. We'll be checking the agent-based way. So let me just show you my setup. I use two MacBooks and a Raspberry Pi. So one MacBook is the master, and then these two are the minions, and these are the minion IDs. We'll be checking the Raspberry through SSH. So before you can do this, you have to download Saltstack. So through the website, you go to download, and then be here, check for your OS. In this case, we check the MacOS and Raspberry Pi. So for macOS, quite straightforward. You get the package, and then you make sure the service is on for the master. And then on the Raspberry, put this in the bash. And in this case, we just get the salt minion on the Raspberry. And the same goes for the other MacBook. You just get the package. So let's check. So here the SSH are already established. We can check into the Raspberry Pi, and then here it's the MacBook. We can check the version first. So it's already installed. Right, and the next thing we want to establish is the role. So on the left side, the MacBook is the master. So we go to a directory called master.d. And here you have to make a file just called master, empty file, and then you want to put interface and then your IP. This is a master. And then for the minion, you go to, in this case, just the minion file. It was already there. Let's do this. Yeah, so here you really can see this is the minion now. It listens to this master. And now we've established the roles. We have established the roles, and now we check for the keys, because how the master and the minion communicate is through a key, which they first have to establish. And I think it's easier to just show it here. So sudo salt key. Okay. Right, so you can see here the Berry Mini, I've already accepted the key, and for the sake of the demo, we will check how we can accept the minion test. So here, okay, I can also do. Okay. Yes, you can see here, because this is a minion and not the master, it doesn't need to check for the keys. So here we want to accept the key of the other MacBook. I'm talking about this one here, and then you do -a and then the minion ID, which is minion test. Okay, we hit yes, and there you go. Let's see. Yeah, okay. And now we can basically, so do some commands to fetch some data from the minions. We do salt. Let's do all of them. I think it's like this, and then test.ping to see whether they are reacting. Okay, we've got true for Berry Minion twice. Let's see. Yep, and the minion test is also true. Nice. I thought for a second it wouldn't work, but okay. And then we can also check the version. So we saw 4.2. Yeah, that's true. Okay, and now, so that's how you can fetch data, and we can even do something more fun. Maybe get the CPU info of the Berry minion in this case. Which here we can see it is indeed, we're talking about Raspberry Pi here. Yeah. So, yeah, that's how you can get information from the minions. And so far, this is step 1 for Saltstack, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.